Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change this home screen image on your TREZOR Safe 3. To do it, go to the settings. Now go to device and scroll down to customization. You'll see home screen and it says that it supports only PNG or JPEG in 128 by 64 pixels in pure black and white, no grayscale. And it's very important, so if you don't have a picture that's set up like this, then you'll need to get one. And how to get it? You can go to home screen editor, then upload your image right here, and you'll be able to set it. You can see here you have the color preview final result. I'll just upload a picture of mine and I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, now I have it uploaded, so I can just change the frame to match it to however I'd like it to look like. You can see the final result doesn't look good yet, so I'll try to change the brightness. You can see how it actually changes here. Then I'll try to sharpen it. We'll see if it helps. Black background doesn't really help. Invert, I don't really like the invert. Or maybe you can see there's quite a few things that you can do here, and I think it looks great that way, although I don't really know if I should invert it. What is the fake shading? I think fake shading is fine. And yeah, I think I like it now. I'm just gonna save it. Then you can see I have the PNG here. It's in downloads. So if I go to the app, now I can upload it. By the way, there's also gallery which you can choose from to choose like one from this gallery. But I'm gonna upload it from downloads. So let's get the file. Now let's drop image. No, sorry, not drop image. I think actually it should click on change home screen. Yeah, and now I'm gonna look at this photo. Yeah, I think it looks great. Let's change it. Unfortunately, the name sort of covers it. But yeah, I think it's quite great. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.